Story 1. The Magic Spell.
Hello, my name is Derek, and I'm the storyteller.
Hello, my name is Maria. I'm Dizzy.
Hello, my name is Adriana, and I'm Lizzie. Hello, my name is Mark. I'm the girl of the gingerbread. Hello, my name is Patty, and I'm Mr. Moss. Lizzie and Lizzie are at school for witches and wizards.
What have we got now?
Maths. Ugh, I don't like maths.
I know, let's change the timetable. Can you remember the magic spell?
Well, let me think. Abracadabra. 1, 2, 3. Change the timetable to PE.
Now we forgot PE.
Oh, Lizzie, that's brilliant. Shh, he's Mr. Moss. Good morning. Open your maths books, please. Sorry, Mr. Moss. We haven't got math now. We got PE. Really? Have we got PE on Monday?
Yes, Mr. Moss, look at the timetable.
I got an idea. Okay, let's go to the gym. Do 29 jumps, please. Now do 35 press-ups. Oh, Mr. Moss, we're very tired.
Can we do maths now, please?
We love maths. Okay.